So I wanted to show you, I called up on, or I ordered online from Amazon, and I ordered 4 coffee bins. They're about 30 bucks for 4 of them. So I get 2 French roast, and I'm trying 2 of this intense bold coffee. So today is Sunday, so Friday I get 8 of these, 2 boxes. They're all bagged, airbagged in and all that stuff. But my first 4-box bin came a different day, so I'll have to come back and show you what that deal is. I used to buy from Walmart, but I can order it from Amazon, and there's no cost for shipping on my account. So just something I wanted to point out to you, and I'll be back in a minute. So the next box I get is this one. So I look at the box, I cut it open, and I'm thinking there must be 4 cans inside this box. It's not in there. I'm going to show you what this was. Brady BMT 21 Plus label printer. So I called them up online and I said, tell your delivery guy to come back over and pick up this box, and they won't pick it back up. I'm baffled to no end, and I'll show you that next. Be right back. So after I open the box, it's got this box in it called a Brady. Airbags and these print cartridges, 2 of them. And hang on, let me open this and show it to you. This is a BMP 21 Plus. The entire rechargeable thing. It's got the battery in the back of it. It's got the whole thing. So I call them up after I look it up, and it's about $185 plus the extra charts. It's got this night outside box inside the box of the whole thing. BMP 21 plus seems like $185, and then you add those 2 cartridges. They're like 33 bucks a piece, so it's over $200 fucking dollars. $200 a piece for this shit. I'm not selling anything with this. And there's one already in it. And the battery was in here, and this will take another cartridge like that, another one for here, so the third one here, and this entire battery, ion battery charger that's inside here, that fits inside here. So I called them up and said, pick the box back up. I said I didn't look at it. Hang on, I'll show you the box. I don't want to show you the guy's address or the name, but it was supposed to go 24040 Dogwood Road, Council Bluffs. So for me, receiving from Prime, I don't fuck with it. I cut it open thinking there's 4 boxes of coffee in here. No. So they won't take this thing back. So they sent me 8 piles of coffee free after I already paid for 4. So they sent me 4 more free on top of that and told me to keep this thing, or told me to take it to the trash pile and throw it away. I'm like, thinking about my nephews, maybe they could use it or something. I don't know. I might keep this thing. I don't know. This thing is huge, dude. I think it weighs maybe 3 pounds. Battery goes under here, and oh my God, it's unbelievable. So now I got this thing at the house, in the house, and truthfully, I don't know, maybe I'll start labeling all the computer lines. Makes the shit out of me. I just don't know. Some days I get baffled over this crazy shit. So, NT8, we'll talk to you later.